Hi, my name is John Iannone. I'm a Maryland birth injury attorney with Price Benowitz. Today I would like to speak with you about birth injuries and the impact a birth injury can have on both the newborn child and the family. Birth injury is an injury a baby suffers during labor and delivery. These injuries are not expected and come as quite a shock to many families. When an injury occurs at birth, it could be due to medical negligence. Therefore, it is important to understand what went wrong and whether it could have been prevented. Negligence by medical professionals can occur when there is a medical emergency and the medical professionals fail to recognize the emergency or fail to act in the face of an emergency. For example, if the baby is in distress as determined by the fetal heart monitor, that may be an indication that a C-section should be performed immediately, that the baby needs to come out now. If there is a delay in performing a C-section and the baby is deprived of oxygen, permanent injury can occur. These injuries can have a lasting impact, and families can be on the line for enormous amounts of medical bills, caretaking costs, treatments, and therapies. Negligence can also occur as a result of improper use of medical devices, such as a vacuum or forceps, causing injury to the baby during delivery. Improper manipulation of the baby during delivery can cause injury. Injury can result from medication errors, as well as failure to detect and timely treat infection. The types of injuries that can result include cerebral palsy, which is caused by a lack of oxygen to the brain; Erb's palsy, which is caused when the baby's shoulder is lodged behind the mother's pubic bone, causing injury to the shoulder, arm, and hand; bleeding in the brain, paralysis, nerve damage, skull fracture, brain damage, and swelling. The outcome is physical, emotional, and financial challenges. It is important to contact an experienced Maryland birth injury lawyer who can protect your rights and maximize the compensation to which you are entitled. For 25 years, I've represented the victims of birth injuries due to the negligence of medical professionals and fought to help overcome the initial devastation and put their lives back together with the financial compensation necessary to care for their child. Our experienced on-staff doctor can quickly evaluate the cause of injury and counsel to the long-term needs of the child. Our team of Maryland birth injury lawyers have the medical and legal knowledge necessary to fight against the insurance companies for the doctors and nurses. And our dedicated legal team approaches every case with a passion to fight for those who cannot fight for themselves.